Ever feel like the crypto world is speaking a different language? You're not alone. Many people get confused by all the jargon, especially when it comes to coins and tokens. What's the difference? Why does it matter? Don't worry, we'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Think of it like this. Coins are like countries and tokens are like tickets you use within those countries. Let's dive in. Ready to become fluent in crypto? Let's go. Imagine the crypto world as a map. Each country on this map is a blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These blockchains are like independent nations with their own rules and systems. A coin, like Bitcoin or Ether, is the official currency of its blockchain country. Just like the US dollar or the Japanese yen, these coins are used for transactions within their respective blockchains. They have value because people believe in the blockchain they represent. So coins are the big players, the foundation of their own crypto ecosystems. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of tokens. Remember those tickets you win at an arcade? The ones you eagerly collect to trade for prizes? Tokens are kind of like that. They hold value within a specific ecosystem, allowing you to access certain benefits or services, but not necessarily outside of it. Think of it this way, you can't use arcade tickets to buy groceries, right? They are only useful within the arcade. Similarly, most tokens are designed to be used within a specific blockchain platform. They serve as the currency or utility within that digital space. Tokens can represent a variety of things like digital assets, voting rights, or even ownership stakes in a project. They can also grant access to exclusive features or services within a platform. Tokens are incredibly versatile and can be created for a wide range of purposes, from gaming to finance to governance. They add another layer of functionality and excitement to the crypto world, making it a dynamic and ever-evolving space. Section 4, Ethereum versus Tether, a real-world example. In this section, we will delve into the differences between a coin and a token by examining Ethereum and Tether. Let's look at a real-world example to solidify our understanding. By comparing Ethereum and Tether, we can better grasp the fundamental differences between coins and tokens. Ethereum, or ETH, is a coin because it has its own blockchain, like a country on our crypto map. This means it operates independently and has its own set of rules and protocols. Now let's say you have a token called Tether, or USDT, that exists on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike Ethereum, Tether does not have its own blockchain and relies on Ethereum's infrastructure. USDT is pegged to the value of the US dollar, making it a stable coin. This means its value remains relatively stable, mirroring the value of the US dollar. It's like using US dollars within the country of Ethereum. You are essentially using a stable currency within a larger, more complex ecosystem. The key takeaway? Coins have their own blockchains, while tokens operate on existing blockchains. Understanding this distinction is crucial for navigating the world of cryptocurrencies effectively. Section 5. Spotting the difference, coins versus tokens. How can you quickly tell if something is a coin or a token? Here's a simple trick. Does it have its own blockchain? If yes, it's a coin. Does it operate on another platform's blockchain? If yes, it's a token. When evaluating new crypto projects, it's essential to understand the distinction between coins and tokens. This knowledge will help you make more informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. Section 6. Keep exploring the crypto world. We've covered the basics of coins and tokens, but there's always more to learn in the ever-evolving world of crypto. From understanding blockchain technology to exploring decentralized finance, the journey is endless. The key is to stay curious and keep asking questions. Dive into forums, join online communities, and participate in webinars to expand your knowledge. What are some real-world applications of tokens that excite you? Think about how they can revolutionize industries like healthcare, supply chain, and even entertainment. Don't be afraid to dive deeper and explore the exciting possibilities that cryptocurrencies offer. Whether it's investing, developing, or simply learning, there's a place for everyone. Remember, the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this dynamic landscape. Take advantage of online courses, tutorials, and mentorship opportunities. The future of finance is here, and it's time to be a part of it. Embrace the change, stay informed, and keep exploring the endless possibilities that the crypto world has to offer.